Hi, Joe here from my office here in Melbourne, Florida. Just had to get over to the desk here. We're going to have a little chat with you for a couple of minutes. Let me ask you something. Are you upside down in your mortgage, your home equity? Is your mortgage balance more than you could sell your house for currently? If it is, then you're upside down. If you purchased your house within the last 36 months with either a 70, 80, 90% or a no money down mortgage, the highest probability is that you are upside down. But you're not alone, because there's an awful lot of Americans in that same situation. And one of the biggest reasons is that the value in their house has declined substantially. So, what are you going to do? You're upside down. The end result of this is, basically, as you probably know, you're a prisoner. You are stuck in that house until either the housing values come back or else you build the equity back. Now, there's not very much you can do, or any of us can do, to increase the selling price of our house. We can make a few cosmetic repairs here, maybe we can put some new cabinets in, but if we've lost $10, $15, $20,000, we're not going to make that up. So that only leaves one other thing that we can do, and that's get the equity back in our house and get it back rather quickly. Well, you might be saying at this time, Joe, that's easy for you to say. You don't understand. I'm living paycheck to paycheck and we're sweating that out every month too. Well, the fact of life is that there is a way. It is a way that works for hundreds of Americans right now, and it's been working silently for them for 3-4 years. I say silently because most of the time in polite company we don't exchange personal finances and things of that nature. And it's nothing that the banks and the financial institutions are going to tell us about, because it's contrary to their best interests. They want you to have that mortgage. They want you to stay in debt. In a little bit, we're going to tell you just how badly and why that is. But we have a procedure and a process that works very, very well. Not only does it work well here in the country, it's been working around the world since it started in Australia over 10 years ago. And now it's available to the general public. At first it was available just a few select few that could pay $3,500 or so in that range to have access to it. But now it's a program that's readily accessible for everyone. It doesn't take you being a financial guru, having an MBA in finance or accounting to work. And all it takes is a little bit of self-discipline. The only requirement generally that is there is that you are earning and bringing home slightly more than you're spending every month. Now we know that's not the case for everybody either, but there are ways that we can reduce expenses, and if we need to increase income, there's ways to help you do that as well. And it won't be some fancy scheme, work at home, pills, potion, lotion type business. In a minute you're going to see a URL scroll across the bottom of this video, and basically we're going to take you to a site where we have prepared a longer introduction that explains in complete detail how this program can work for you. You're not going to have to give up financial responsibility. You're not going to have to do a refinance, go to a bi-weekly mortgage, any of those things. Basically a very simple program that lets you stay in control. If you are truly tired of being a prisoner to your mortgage, being upside down, not be able to move or sell your house if you want to, then this is a time for you to get involved. Take the action. If you're a doer and not a talker, you'll get to this URL, you'll get the information, and you'll let us help you. Otherwise, you've just wasted about a minute and a half, and we hope you haven't. If you got here, you probably got here because of one of the search engines or one of the social sites, and you're truly sick and tired of being sick and tired. Well, those days are over. It's time for you to have control, take control, and we can help. We'll see you at the halls of financial freedom.